Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
Sheikh, we know the hadith where the Prophet ﷺ mentions that the companion of the Quran will be asked to recite the Quran in the hereafter as they had recited it in this world, and that their rank will be according to the last verse they recite. So my question is, out of one who only memorizes the Quran without implementing it, and one who memorizes and implements it, and one who only implements it without memorizing it, who will be eligible for this reward? Jazakallahu khairan.
Definitely the one who will be eligible for this reward is the one who memorizes it and implements it. The one who memorizes it and does not implement it, the Quran will curse him. And that would not benefit him. Lots of the hypocrites memorize the Quran without implementing it. It doesn't help them. The Prophet said, ﷺ, the vast majority of the hypocrites of my ummah are those reciters of the Quran. Those who beautify their voices to gain attention and likes, not caring what the Quran says and not walking the talk. They're among the hypocrites. May Allah protect us all. So a person that memorizes the Quran and implements it is in the highest level, and this is the person who falls under this hadith. A person who implements it but does not recite it will be rewarded but will not fall under this category, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. How are you?
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I have a question regarding performing Umrah. Suppose a person performing Umrah every year during the month of Ramadan for 15 days. He stayed at the Kaaba and performing prayers there. So which one would be the more beneficial, performing Umrah or donating the same money to the poor?
This concept of donating money to the poor deprives us from doing a lot of good deeds for ourselves. And this is where shaitan comes. Now, I'm not saying that you should not help the poor, but I will use the same methodology. You drive a Mercedes-Benz. So which is best? To continue to drive the Mercedes-Benz or to sell it and buy a Chinese cheap car, second-hand, and donate the money for the poor? You will not do that, will you? So, oh no, Sheikh, how can I sell my Mercedes? How can I sell my house and live in a small apartment? How can I sell all of my clothes and have only one pair of clothes or suits? Or this is the same concept. The more you can do to get closer to Allah, whether through Umrah, through Hajj, through doing righteous deeds, you should focus on that. And if there is anything extra, we will give to the poor, not the other way around, and Allah knows best.